Heavy duty reviews coming to you. I switched the ejection port to the left side, and I got the TruGlo Ignite red dot scope on there. It's on there really good and tight. This thing is awesome. It has a 2 MOA red dot. It's the Ignite 30mm 2 MOA TruGlo, and this is some of the stuff that comes with it in the box. Tool for tightening, which is awesome. It works great. Lens cleaning cloth, very high grade. A nice sticker. Maybe I'll put it on the back of my Dodge Journey. TruGlo. Here's the instruction manual, but you really don't need instructions. And that's the box it comes in case you ever want to store it in that, which I don't plan on taking it off of this rifle. But you can do that and store your goodies in there too. And the red on this thing is incredible. It is incredible. If I had a GoPro camera, I could turn it on and show you what that red dot looks like. It is just crystal clear, just a very fine point, and I can't wait to I also got some more ammo today, some 223. Can't wait to go to the range and sight it in and just have a load of fun with this. Desert Tech MDRX SE, fully ambidextrous. Shout out to Desert Tech. Shout out to duckguns.com where it came, who sponsored the contest. Shout out to Cheaper Than Dirt. That's right. I got this flat dark earth, really nice PMAG, some 223 American Eagle ammo, and the TruGlo red dot from Cheaper Than Dirt. And it was cheaper than dirt. Well, it wasn't cheap, but it was at a great price. So, peace.